What's up, YouTube? Going for a ride with two guys that I graduated high school with. One of them's got that one right there is a Gixxer 600, and that's a ZX14, the baddest bike of them all. Going on a little ride. So, sorry about the sun if it gets to your eyes too much. Yeah, so this guy up here, he's riding two up. Him and his girlfriend. He rides his ZX14. I think it's 2007. And the guy right in front of me, he rides a 06 Gixxer 600. And you know my bike, it's the 08 ZX6R. So I think this is gonna be a couple videos, because we're gonna be on probably an hour ride, so I might edit it out and we'll see what's gonna happen. We're gonna go meet another guy who has the exact same bike as this guy, except it's red. It's got a few mods to it. It's got a new pipe. I think it's tuned a little bit. But the ZX14 here on my left, he's got two twin carbon fiber Yoshi exhaust, and it sounds unbelievable. So if you can hear it, that's him. So we'll try to get you some good footage today. I think we're going to do some highway riding and some scenic stuff, so I might cut in and out depending on where we're at and what we're doing. So bear with me. I don't know if I'm going to do a lot of talking because I focus more on riding. This is the first group ride video I've done. And what you see us doing now, our lead guy, he's riding on the left, the next guy is riding on the right, and I'm riding on the left. So it's staggered formation. That's normally what you want to do. You can ride twos, which is side by side, but it's not normally recommended. Things can happen pretty quick. Oh, hold on, loose stone. Oh yeah, we're good. Things can happen pretty quick if you ride two side by side. So these guys are really good riders. The guy in the front, he likes to take his curves really fast, and the next guy on the ZX14, he's really good too. He's had it for a long time. So I think I'm going to cut the video here. Once we meet the next guy, I'll probably start it up again and give you guys some more footage. So I'll see you in a little bit. What's up? Say hi to YouTube.
YouTube, I wanted to get gas and I can't. Please help me.
This kid needs some money.
Write your politician.
Are we leaving? Oh, he's...
I really don't need it.
No, I don't need it either. Jason? Yeah. If there's a pump open.
You don't have a bunch of scratches all over, that's a good thing. Yeah, not yet.
Alright, so we are taking off. We're going to do a scenic ride, Route 65 in Ohio. It's called the Scenic Byway. This is Dan. He's got a red Gixxer, the one I was telling you about. It's just like this one, except it's got a few more mods on it. We're going to do staggered formation again, and Jason's going to lead, and then Zach will follow. Dan will be behind him, and I'll be in the back filming it all. So we should have some good footage. We're going to be riding right into the sun, so it might be a little bright. So we're off. And it looks like we are riding directly into the sun. So far, I think I've got like 6 minutes of footage on this. So, should be able to stick to it. Oh, good sounds, you hear it? All sounds good, all sounds good. So, this guy in front of me will be leading. He normally does. He's the crazy one. And the guy to my left, he's a relatively new rider, I guess. So, we're not going to be going very fast, I guarantee it. Which is good. It's always fun to have a leisurely ride, and we're a bunch of responsible guys, and so, you know, we're not going to redline it all the whole way. Of course, this road is rough also. Some horses. Chicks on horses. Of course, we ride the steel horse. The horse of the steel variety. And I'm going to keep my distance kind of far back from the pack, just in case. You never know. Which I normally like to do. I'm not a very risk-taking individual as far as motorcycles are concerned. The guy in front of me, his bike sounds really good. I don't know what kind of pipe he has. I think it's a M4 maybe. But all in all, it's a good bunch of guys to go riding with. We'll do a weekend ride, and every once in a while me and the guy that's leading will take a ride. If our schedules allow it. We're both really busy all the time. So, enough of that. I had a really good topic for a video, but I forgot it. And I wrote it down. It's at home. And it was going to be really good, so stay tuned after this series for the Horsefly 87 makes a really good video. Want to give a shout out to all the subscribers. Thank you. Leave a comment down there. This is the first group ride that I've videoed, I think, as far as like organized group. I've met up with a couple of bikers when I was on the road, but that doesn't count. The guy in front of me on the left, on the red Gixxer, his name is Dan. He's rocking out the shorts today. You know, that's not a big deal, but it's not the most appropriate. But, you know, to each his own. I say that, and then you can go back through my videos and probably count on two hands the videos that I've worn shorts in. So, but the one thing I will say, whenever I do wear shorts, I'm going literally a block in my city where it's 15-mile-an-hour limits. So I just heard a bug hit the screens, and I know that my visor's clear now, but by the time that I'm done with this video, it'll probably be all buggy, because this is the first week of August, so the bugs will be out in full force. Third gear, second gear, first. Neutral, because this light takes forever. Alright, so I guess I'm going to cut it here and then... What? You! Wheelie! Yeah. I'm gonna cut it here because I know he's not gonna... What? No, I'm talking. I'm probably gonna cut it here and then flash forward to when we're on the scenic route, so see you.